February 8th, 2019. We got wicked winds right now. Severe whiteout and drifting, and just howling away on the mountain here. Try to hold steady so you can see. There you can see the pines moving. The wind's still howling away here. It's coming up on 20 after 5 and no signs of letting up. I suspect, well, from what I saw earlier, there's parts of the road are going to be drifted shut completely there, so I don't know if we'll see a plow tonight, but we'll see what tomorrow morning brings. Depending if the wind dies down or not, head into the bush, but with the way it's been, I want to stay clear away there. Lots of leaves and stuff kicking up from the trees and needles there, and the odd branch falling, but so far I haven't heard any trees come down, but definitely they were flexing here, and of course when I'm recording the winds died down, but some of these ones here had a good flex going on them, so interesting weather, that's for sure. Well, just en route to the shack here with the four-wheeler, and looks like we got a branch down from that high wind come off. Looks like it came off this ash here. So anyways, I won't fart around here too long. Chances are more stuff coming down, even though the winds have drastically died down here since that big windstorm. So I'll get this cleared off and let you know if I see anything else on the way up there. Well, we made her. Just started the stove there, but over here there's a tree on an angle there. It's caught up in another tree. Well, that tree on the angle snapped, but in the wind we got right now, which is nothing compared to the other day, she's creaking and rubbing up against up top there. Well, in one of the previous videos there that when I rode up with the Kinkwad here, I was asked by Broke Necks how many or how much snow we had here. So since we're in Canada here, this is all centimeters, but anyways, I'll give her a shout. We'll give her a try out here past the trail, off trail I should say. So 50 centimeters, and noticed on my way in here too, I was following maybe fox or maybe coyote, but it doesn't sink in very much. So if it was coyote, I think he'd be sinking in a little more. So I'll try another spot here. And keep in mind, we had some rain here at the end of the last week, so rain and freezing rain, so the snowpack's gone down a little. But yeah, I was shoveling another roof off today, and just over my knees, so in between just below the waist there, and so, yeah, quite a bit of snow here. Well, we started at minus 10 Celsius in the shack, and we're already up to +5 or 40 Fahrenheit there, so stove doesn't take long to heat her up there.